Unfortunately, this has been a criminal negligence for the last 40 years that this water crisis has not been attended to and the dam construction has been delayed to this an extent. Today is the time, do or die. And we are not going to die, sir. We are going to live. And it is for our posterity that we have to contribute. We have to make all the efforts and endeavors for the purposes of making the dam